Hello. In this example, we will use Quick Pallet Maker to calculate a shipment of boxes, and we will spread out the boxes manually in the layer editor to add more stability to the load. So what we do is run the Quick Pallet Maker, run the application, new data sheet, box on pallet. We copy the data. We had copied it from elsewhere, from another place, and we paste it onto the window. Now we choose the pallet. In this case, we will use a 48 by 40 with a maximum height of 220 centimeters, and we will calculate the load. Here we will see that some boxes are not towards the border, so we wanted to make this as straight as possible. We use a layer editor, tools, layer editor, and we can select the layer and move it manually. Since we saw that was the biggest one, we can just spread it out. So we have these boxes. We can select one and spread it out. The X0, for example, moves it to the side. Select another one. X0, and we add more stability. Okay, we go to the next layer. These boxes, more to the side, we add the value of Y. We increase it to 50, for example. Same here, we can either click on it or select the box. We do the same, 50, and do 50 again. Okay. We can go to another layer. Same here. Choose the box. 50. Okay, now we can change the view. We can show all the full palette. We'll see it now. The palette's a bit more stable. We still have another layer that we can work with. Change the view. Just show one layer. Change it again. Once more. And then we now rearrange the boxes again. All right. And now we can see how it will look. We click on OK. We have our palette. And it will be more stable.